It is confirmed that accused number 3 was in possession of this device on the 26th of October 2014.
Where?
The prominent attorney Thulani Mngomezulu, who represented one of the defendants in the high-profile of Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, has passed away. He died in the early hours of Tuesday, December 10th of 2024, in Vosloorus Hospital east of Johannesburg. Mngomezulu had been battling an undisclosed illness for some time and had been following court proceedings remotely in recent weeks due to his health challenges. His involvement in the case, which began in October 2023, saw him navigating the complex trial within a trial process at the Pretoria High Court. In a statement released by his family spokesperson, Dumisile Mngomezulu expressed their profound grief and said, "It is with sadness that we announce that the passing of our beloved husband, father and the son. We confirm his untimely passing in the early hours of December 10th. In this time of grief, we ask your compassion, space, and time to congregate as a family to decide on the upcoming days. We thank you for your love and support in advance and ask that you continue to keep us in your prayers." Reports of Mngomezulu's deteriorating health had emerged in October when his participation in court was visibly affected. He often wore a face mask during proceedings and sought medical advice after his condition worsened. On October 22, State Prosecutor George Baloyi read a letter in court requesting Mngomezulu's absence due to illness, supported by a medical certificate. Mngomezulu said unfortunately he is unable to attend court due to serious illness. Baloyi stated at the time, emphasizing the gravity of the situation. Mngomezulu was excused from court between October 22 and October 25, a period coinciding with critical testimony from the lead investigator, Brigadier Gininda. The legal fraternity and broader public remain shocked by the loss of a dedicated and a skilled advocate whose contributions to the case underscored his commitment to justice even amidst personal health struggles. Funeral arrangement and further details will be shared in due course as the family gathers to mourn their loss. May his soul rest in power. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.